If you start investing 10k per month in mutual funds, let's suppose you will get around 12% interest, because it is the average interest that you will get every year. If you start investing 10k per month, if you invest on mutual funds, there is an option to choose SIP. If you invest on SIP, let's suppose you are investing 10k per month for 10 years, you will get around 23 lakhs or something. If you increase and go on up to 20 years, you will get around 1 crore for investing only 10k per month. If you invest that for 20 years, you are investing only around 24 lakhs. But the amount that you will get after 20 years is 1 crore. Now take another scenario, step up investment. Means like your salary will grow, right? Eventually your income will grow every year. Let's assume you are getting at least 10% hike every year. Increase the amount of money that you are investing. You have started investing 10k per month. Let's suppose your salary have grown by 10%. Increase your investment after every year. You are investing 10k now, and after 1 year, you increase that to 11,000, increasing 10% every year. If you invest in this way, you will get around 2 crore after 20 years, which is very huge, right? Let's be optimistic. We all easily get 20% income hike at least 1 year or the other. So let's assume you are increasing 20% every year, which is possible, because if you're investing 10k now, making that to 12k after 1 year is not really a hard task. So if you do that, if you increase your investment by 20% every year, you will get 4 crore, which is a huge amount, right? Let's suppose if your age is 20 or 22 or even 25, and the age of 40 or 45, you have 4 crore INR with you. Even if you assume inflation and all, even if you reduce the value up to 50%, you will still be a crore. So investing is simple, but most of us are confused with different options. See, simple, the example that I have shared, mutual funds or index funds, are very simple to understand, but because most of us confuse ourselves, we feel like investing is not our cup of tea, but everyone can do that. If you start investing as early as possible, you will grow your money and you will create wealth.